Good morning, everyone. I'm Shilpa Kr, first MBA from Maharani's Women's Commerce and Management College, Mysore. I'm going to explain about the causes of business cycle. What is the business cycle? Business cycle is the ongoing downward and upward movement of gross domestic product. Broadly, it can be defined as the series of cycle of economic construction. The other names for the business cycle are economic cycle, trade cycle. Many factors affect the business cycle. Both internal and external causes of the business cycle play a vital role in this. Here we shall learn in detail about the causes and effects of the business cycle. Business cycle occurs due to numbers of factors and causes. These causes are classified into internal causes of business cycle, external causes of business cycle. Internal causes of business cycle are classified into different categories. That is, the first one is fluctuation in demand or change in demand. Second one is fluctuation in investment. Third one is macroeconomic policies. Fourth one is money supply. First one is fluctuation in demand. In the terms of economics, change in demand causes a change in the economy. When the demand increases, a firm will naturally purchase more goods and services to meet the increased demands of the economy. This thereby increases employment opportunities and the output production. As a result, the company experiences great profit. However, one most also known the expensive demand can also lead to inflation in the economy. Talking about the condition of fall in demand in an economy, the decreased demand result in lower output, employment and income. It eventually leads to through in the economy. Its same situation prevails for a longer period. It can also causes depression in the economy. Next one is investment fluctuation. It is a concept quite similar to the increase or decrease in demand in an economy. The major factor that causes fluctuation in demand are as follows: are as expectation of profits, the current rate of interest, entrepreneurial interest, income generation. It is naturally understood that if the investment in the economy are increased, is experiences an expansion in the economy, whereas if the investment in the economy are dis- decreased, it can result in depression or throw in the economy. Third one is macroeconomic policies. The economic policies, also known as monetary policies of a nation, set up by the government, play a vital role in affecting the business cycle. If the economic policies are set up or planned in a manner that define benefits humans, such as providing subsidies and taking other relevant measures, it can result in the boom in an economy. Whereas if the government increases the tax rate, interest rate, or remove the existing subsidies, it can result in uneasy financial condition among people. In such cases, you can experience a recession, also known as a slowdown in the economy. Fourth one is supply of money. Money plays a vital role in shaping the graph of the business cycle. The relevant changes in the money cycle change the trade cycle of the economy. It is so obvious that if people have a considerable amount of money, they will spend more to consume goods and services. Therefore, money supply of the economy, whereas on the other hand, less money supply may lead to a recession in the economy. It is necessary to note that excessive money supply can even lead to inflation in the economy, whereas an extremely low money supply can result in depression in the economy. And we are going to external factor are classified into different categories. First one is wars, second one is post wars reconstruction, third one is technology shocks, fourth one is natural factor. Causes of business cycle. The external factor that causes change in the business cycle are known as the external causes of the business cycle. These changes do not happen with the economy, but other factor or things happening in the outsider world also affect the business cycle. These are also known as the exogenous causes of the business cycle. Some important external factors are discussed. discussed. A first one is wars. Wars and fights at any place causes a situation of unrest for human lives. Also hit severely affect the economic condition of the place. During war, large economic resources and monetary resources are used in the production of weapons for the wars, including arms, guns, and other such things. It automatically shifts the focus of the government and people of the country from education, employment, and other beneficial factors of the economic to the production of capital goods. The important and need for consumer goods are ignored in such cases. Therefore, the economic experience a downturn during wars. Year after the war, a huge amount and resources are needed to be spent on the rebuilding of the particular place. People start working for their livelihood. This slowly and gradually results in the increases in demand in an economic experiences progresses. And second one is post-war reconstruction. Post-war reconstruction aims at the consolidation of peace and security and the attainment of suitable socio-economic development in a war-shattered country. The term post-conflict does not signify the obligatory of the root causes of the outbreak of conflict in the first place. And third one is technology. With an increase in modernizing and industrializing, we can see a development in a new technologies each day. Development and investment in a new technologies, machinery and advertisement. Even for building up any machinery, a large amount of employment is required. Yes, it also increases employment opportunities for people, resulting in a better monetary flow in the economy. Therefore, it is always correct to say that an increase in technology always result in a boost in economy. And last, fourth one is natural factor, weather or climate condition. The economy can experience considerable slowdown in the case of natural calamities, floods, hurricanes, droughts being the threatening condition for human lives as well as for the economy. Loss of agriculture brings a shortage of food availability, thus increasing the price even when there is the least monetary availability which people. The focus on capital goods is reduced. The flow of money and employment undergo a gradual decreases. Therefore, natural calamities can cause depression in the economy. These are all the causes of the business cycle. Thank you.